Humans are organisms. A. Sexually reproducing, oviparous. B. Asexually reproducing, ovoviviparous. C. Asexually reproducing, viviparous. D. Sexually reproducing, viviparous. Right. The formation of gametes is termed as A. Gametogamy. B. Syngamy. C. Gametogeny. Right. The transfer of sperms into the female genital tract is called A. Insemination. Right. The fusion of male and female gametes is known as right. Match the following correctly. Column I. 1. Parturition. 2. Gestation. 3. Ovulation. 4. Implantation. 5. Conception. Column 2. A. The correct chronological order of the following events is A. Gametogenesis right pointing arrow, fertilization right pointing arrow, insemination right pointing arrow, gestation right pointing arrow, implantation right pointing arrow, parturition. B. Gametogenesis right. The following statements are true except A. In an individual, reproductive changes occur after puberty. B. Sperm formation occurs even in old men. C. Formation of ovum continues in women after 50 years. D. Humans are right. The testes are situated in the abdominal cavity within a pouch called A. Inside, testicular lobules. B. Outside, scrotum. C. Outside, right. The scrotum helps in maintaining a temperature lower than the internal body temperature, right. An adult testis is oval in shape. Its width is about and length is about respect, right.